Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying system compatibility. Open Settings and check your OS build because WSL2 requires a compatible Windows 10 build. Once confirmed, enable the Windows subsystem for Linux and virtual machine platform features through Turn Windows features on or off, then reboot if prompted. After reboot, you download the official Microsoft WSL2 Linux kernel update package. Make sure you pick the package for x64 or ARM64, matching your device. This gets you to the only supported update path. You run the MSI installer with administrator privileges. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator so the kernel files install under Program Files and System Paths. Once installed, every WSL2 distribution on the machine will use that updated kernel, so you don't update per distro. After installation, open an elevated PowerShell and run WSL set default version 2 if you need to convert existing distributions or ensure new ones use WSL2. This finalizes the kernel update and prepares your distros to run with the new kernel. You verify success by launching a WSL distro and running unaim-r, or from PowerShell, use WSL status to confirm the kernel version and WSL2 default. If the kernel didn't update, rerun the MSI as administrator and reboot, because failed installs often need elevation or a restart to complete. Make sure Windows Update and optional component updates are not blocked. Sometimes pending Windows updates prevent kernel activation. If problems persist, disable and re-enable Virtual Machine Platform, reboot, then reinstall the MSI to clear the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.